Alright, we now have completed our project of building the game Hangman. Let's run our program and see whether our program is able to satisfy the business scenarios or not. So the first scenario is, when the user guesses the right word, then the system should display the output with the number of chances used by the user. Let's check it out. So I'll just create an object to our class and then start the game like this. Player1 is equal to Hangman and player1.newGame. Okay, the new game has been started. The word is of 4-letter length and we have to guess the word and we have got 10 chances for the same. So let me start by inputting the letter as A for the input and press the enter key. Awesome! We have the output that says you have guessed one letter truly, that is A. So the word is star A star star. So when we input a letter and if that particular letter is present in the word, then it will display its position in correct word. And now, as we can see in the hint word, the second letter is A in the correct word. This means the logic is working as expected when we input a single letter as input. So guys, now this time let's input a word and see what will be the output. So I'll input the word as mate and press the enter key. Okay, we have the output that says, sorry, it's not correct and you have 8 chances to find the right word. That means when we input a word which is not same as the correct word, then the system is printing the information message and it also prints as 8 chances left. That means the system is displaying the number of chances left correctly. Now, this time I'll input a word which is not of the length 4 and let's see what happens. Since the expected word is of length 4, I'll input a word which is length 6 as maiden. And then I'll press the enter key. Okay, so we now have the information message says that you should enter only one letter or a word with length 4. Please enter again and you have 7 chances to find the right word. So guys, this completes all the negative scenario testing. So we can easily say that it is working as expected. Congratulations guys, great job. Now let's check what would be the correct word. So let's check the word list which is present inside our init method. Okay, as we can see, the 4-letter word which has the second letter as A is wait and nail. So let's see to which word it belongs to. So this time what I'll do is I'll just input the word as wait and then press the enter key. Okay, we have the output that says congratulations, you have found the right word wait in 4 chances. So guys, this completes the testing of first scenario. That is, when the user guesses the right word, then the system should display the information message with the number of chances used by user. Now, let's test the second scenario. That is, when the user is unable to guess the right word after 10 moves, then the program should display the right word. So what I'll do is, I'll just rerun the previous cell. Okay, this time also we have 4-letter word. So I'll just enter some random inputs like this. Okay, I have now used up to 9 chances. Now I have only 1 chance left. So I'll just enter some random letter and press the enter key. Okay, we have the message that says, sorry, you have used up all your chances and the correct word is love. So guys, this confirms that the code is working as per the requirement. Now let's look at the final requirement, wherein it says when the user inputs the wrong word as input, then the proper instruction should be provided to the user. But guys, this has been already covered by us, correct, right? So moving further, we have one more scenario, that is when the user inputs a word or a letter which was already guessed before. So let's try it out. Okay, this time as well, we have to guess the 4-letter word. As a first input, I'll just input a letter as A and press the enter key. Okay, we have this letter A inside the word. So the output says, you have guessed one letter truly, A in the word star A star star. You have 9 chances to find the right word. Now let's see what happens when I input the letter A again. Okay, we have the output that says you already guessed this letter A. So guys, this confirms that it is working as expected. Now what we have to do, let's try to guess the word. Let's say I think this is a word to be mate. So I'll just input the same and press the enter key. And we have the output that says, sorry, it's not correct. Now again, if I input the word as mate and press the enter key, this time the output says you already guessed this word mate. So guys, this confirms that the program which we have written will satisfy all the requirements set in the problem. And we have successfully tested for all the business scenarios given by the users. And with this, we are coming to the end of this section on mini project in Python. And I hope you guys had a good learning and got a hands-on feel as how to write the logic in the program and how we build the solution to a business problem. Now with all the programming experience which we have built till now, we will proceed to the next step in learning, that is how to make use of Python programming language to perform the data analysis. So guys, see you then.